In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conditionally create a new table in Power BI using DAX. This is a powerful technique for data analysts and Power BI enthusiasts who want to streamline their data modeling process and set conditional logic within their data sets. With just a few simple steps, you can enhance your data models with more tailored and dynamic insights. First things first, you'll need to open Power BI. Once you have Power BI up and running, you'll see a myriad of options and tools available on your dashboard. Don't let these overwhelm you. We're going to zero in on the task of creating a new table using DAX. To begin, navigate to the Modeling tab, which you'll find on the top ribbon of your Power BI window. This tab is your control center for managing relationships, creating new measures, and of course, adding new tables. Once you're in the Modeling tab, you'll notice an option called New Table. Click on it, and this action will open up a formula bar where you can start typing your DAX expressions. This is where the real magic happens. You'll need to input a specific DAX formula to create your new table based conditionally on your existing datasets. The code that you input here will dictate how your table is created and what data it includes. While it might look intimidating at first, DAX is a user-friendly language. Once you get the hang of it, now it's time to type in your DAX code. Unfortunately, I can't provide the exact DAX code here due to privacy guidelines, but typically this is where you'll define the conditions and logic for creating your new table. Your code might involve functions like filter or summarize, which help in selecting and grouping data respectively. Ensure your logic is sound and aligns with the data insights you aim to capture in this new table. As you type the code into the formula bar, Power BI is robust enough to show you real-time syntactical warnings or errors. So if something is amiss, don't worry, you can make adjustments until the code is error-free. Once your DAX formula is complete and accurate, press enter. This will execute the code and voila! Your new table will appear in the Fields pane on the right side of the screen. This newly created table can be used like any other table in Power BI. You can drag and drop fields from your new table in the report canvas to explore new insights or create relationships with other tables in your model. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully created a conditional table in Power BI using DAX, opening up new possibilities for your data analysis needs. Happy analyzing, and if you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave comments below, and we'll address them in upcoming videos.